What's going on in there?
He's yelling at me because he loves me.
What was going on? Because he what?
He's yelling at me because he loves me.
Because he loves you. What were you doing before, Jack?
I don't understand. Helping him get out.
You're helping him get out, or were you hurricane survival guide? Jack, be careful. What is this, a hurricane survival guide? Jack, be careful. Jack, be careful. He's under there.
I'm trying to get out of
Careful. He's like, I'm out of here.
In this container.